if you want to create custom discount or gift cards for your business or store, it's quick and easy to do so in Studio. Set a custom canvas to 1500 by 840 pixels. For a quick solution, I used a custom background in Studio with a floral design, but you can use any image you like. Let's use Spark AI to add a custom artwork of a ribbon. I use the prompt blue ribbon and bow. Spark will generate 4 options. Pick the one you like and add it to the canvas. Resize and place. Add some eye-catching text to your design. The value of the card is the most important element, so make that large, bold, and eye-catching. Then offset this with a title of your choice. For now, gift card will suffice. To increase emphasis on the most important information, make the secondary text a lot smaller than that headings, then do the same with any disclaimers or fine print you would like your gift card to have. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio, go beyond ordinary.